So, number 163. My number, the 163, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. My name is Dolores Roterso, sir. Okay, sir. I am Dolores Rotersos. I am 44 years old, married, and I have two kids. My eldest daughter is 18 years old, and my youngest son, sir, is 3 years old. I'm finished studying in Philippine Christian University here in Manila, and I am taking the course of a Bachelor of Science in major business administration, major in marketing, sir. And I get also the 2 years junior secretarial course, and the same time I'm a working student there with my work is as a janitress for 5 years. Then after I graduate, sir, I get married. Then last 2006 up to 2008, I've been worked there in Hong Kong for 2 years, sir. And then after I finished my contract, my mom did not renew my contract because that is her style, sir. Her helper is only 2 years, 2 years because she is avoiding of giving the long service fee. So I decided to go home, sir, to help my husband. And now I'm again applying again to Hong Kong, sir, for because of the financial needs. I need more money for the college of my children because for next year she's going to college. To college, and okay, that's all, sir. When I'm work there, sir, Uh, they are five, sir. My mom and sir, and they have three sons. They are all adults, sir. Yes, sir. My kilo, sir. I am 50 kilos, sir. 4'11". Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm very much willing, sir, because I have 3 years old kids and I love children, sir. I love children. Yes, sir. Oh yeah, it's no problem for me, sir. I can really take good care from the newly born up to onward. I really like yes, sir. No problem for me, sir. I can take care, sir. I will dance with them, sir. What they want, what they like. I went, I dance with them. I know already how to take care of children. Naughty, very. I can handle it, sir. I can handle. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. A lot. Okay, sir. Okay. Sample. One little, two little, three little engines, four little, five little, six little engines. Thank. Uh, okay, sir. I really like that, sir. I really like baby. Yes, sir. Thank you very much, sir. I'm very thankful to that employer, sir. If they were hired me, they can trust me, sir. I can assure you that I'm very hardworking. I'm honest because before I left there in Hong Kong, sir, my mom gave me a very good release paper for me. If yes, ma'am, I have, sir. I have, sir. I have a very good release letter. Yes. Okay, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Sir. Yes, sir. Bye, bye, sir. Thank you, sir.